ChatGPT or Copilot? Which one is best? In this video, I'll explain exactly what the differences are and when to use each one. So ChatGPT or Copilot, what's the difference and which one should I use? These are the sort of questions a lot of people have when they first start using AI, and they are valid questions which I hope to answer in this short video.
So let's take a look at ChatGPT in detail. ChatGPT is a general-purpose conversational AI developed by OpenAI. It runs in your web browser and it can create text, summarize, translate, write formulas and even generate ideas, all from natural language. This is the ChatGPT interface. So you can see this is where you would type your prompt. I'm using ChatGPT 5 in this instance. Microsoft Copilot, on the other hand, is built inside of Microsoft 365. It uses similar technology, a GPT model, but it connects directly to your company's documents, emails, and Teams chats to generate responses that are personalized to your work. And here's the Microsoft Copilot interface once again asking for a prompt. So what are the key differences between the two? Well, let's take them one by one. The access in ChatGPT is via your web browser, whereas with Copilot, it's already built into Microsoft 365. The data source that it's trained on for ChatGPT is general. In Copilot's case, it's your organization's data. The cost, well, I have a Plus plan for ChatGPT, but you can also get a free plan, which does have certain limitations for use, whereas with Copilot, your business has to have either a business plan or an enterprise license. One other point about that, and that is that for ChatGPT, it's $20 for a Plus plan per month, whereas with Copilot, it's around about $30 per user per month. In terms of using the AI for ChatGPT, you would type in manual prompts, or of course you can paste them in, whereas with Copilot, it's context aware within Microsoft 365. So the ideal uses for these tools are for ChatGPT, a general purpose learning, creativity, and templates tool, whereas with Copilot, it's ideal for secure work automation. Now, one important point here is data and privacy. ChatGPT won't access your company data unless you type it or paste it in manually, whereas Copilot works securely within your Microsoft 365 environment. So always be mindful of confidentiality when using AI tools. Don't share private or client information in external tools. So the big picture next then, think of ChatGPT as your creative partner for brainstorming, writing and teaching, whereas Copilot could be your personal assistant inside Microsoft 365, drafting, summarizing and automating everyday tasks. So together, they're a powerful combination.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for news of my latest videos. There's a discount coupon link to my Udemy course in the description. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.